Alright guys, I'm done digging my car. I think I did a pretty good job. Now, tired and sweaty, going back in. But it's a mess in here. It's really a mess. I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. I don't know if there's a car there in between that. I'm not sure. Maybe it is. I don't know. Look at this. This is terrible. I don't know. Now I'm going back inside. This is really a mess. Look at that. This is very bad. That's Amanda walking away. Say hello, Amanda. Now, hope I don't fall again. Oh. We're going through 46, Mommy. The state is closed. Nobody is driving. Oh, crazy.